Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these right here. It is by this brand and they are HZ07 wireless ear protectors. So my husband likes to do a lot of like lawn mows and he works with tools and stuff a lot. So I actually got these for him because to help protect his ear. He also goes shooting a lot, like he shoots his guns. So something like this is great for that. So it does come with a little carrying case, which I do appreciate as well. There's the user manual. And then you have your USB charger. And then this is the aux cord right here. So you can hook these up to music, which is really nice. So this is what they look like. They're actually really nice and big. They are adjustable, as you can see. You just move this down like that. And they are canceling. That's so trippy. So you can turn it on right here. You can see. And it says power on. You can pair it with your phone. And then it also has the auxiliary cord right there. You'll actually charge it underneath there. It has the different modes, and then you can put them on and you can connect it to Bluetooth if you want to. These are actually, my head's a lot smaller, so actually that works perfect for me, but my husband has a big head, so he's gonna have to use it on the bigger setting. It's already like, I can't even, like, it's, you know how like when you have something over your ears, you can't tell how loud you're talking. It is really, really nice. Like the inside, they are very cushioned, very muffled out, very good quality. So let's go see my husband wearing these and see what he thinks about them. And to connect this to Bluetooth, you want to do a long press on the power button. Select, you go to your Bluetooth area and you select HZ07 on your device and you will hear Bluetooth connected. If pairing successfully, long press M to repair the new device. The LED will not blink. The LED will blink blue at this time. So right now it's blinking blue, so it's ready to pair, which I'm not going to pair it just yet because my husband will be pairing it to his phone.
You're gonna hold it to turn it on. I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth.
So my husband said that he loved these headphones, that they really did cancel out all the noise, and he was able to listen to his music while he worked, and he really did enjoy them, and he will be using them.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.